Alright, question says that Mike left town X at 8:30 a.m. and traveled towards town Y at an average speed of 60 km per hour. Alright, so let's start drawing what do you call that? The journey chart, and fill out the information before we go confused. Alright, so Mike left at 8:30 a.m. from town X to town Y, and he traveled at average speed of 60 km per hour. Half an hour later, alright, Peter left town Y and travel at a constant speed towards town X. Okay, half an hour, that means it's 9 a.m. Alright, traveling at constant speed. Now, the question says that at 11 a.m. they were 250 kilometers away from each other. At 11, and then at 1 p.m. they met along the way. So I just put it in the center, okay, because I do not know what is the speed of Peter. I assume that it's in the center. At 1 p.m. they met. Okay, but remember at 11 a.m., 2 hours before this, they were 250 kilometers apart. Okay, like this. Then what was the average speed of Peter? Okay, Peter is in red here, huh? What is the average speed of Peter? Now look here. This is how we go about solving it. Time taken by Mike for the first sector, okay, before 11 a.m. is 2.5 hours. Okay, from 8:30 to 11 a.m. is 2.5 hours. Alright, okay, and the distance travel is 2.5 hours multiplied by 60 km per hour, because that was his average speed for the entire journey. Alright, so 2.5 times 60 will give us 150 km. So this is for sector 1. Right, and here is 250 km. Alright, so now, so time 2 will be 2 hours, because why? It's from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. is 2 hours, and distance travel is 2 hours times 60 km per hour. That gives us 120 km. Alright, so obviously this is equal to 130. Alright, okay, 130, because it's 250 minus 120, that gives us 130 here. And time is, so here is another 130. Okay, D1 is 130, and here is also 130. Why is it so? Because you see, for Peter, if let's say it takes 2 hours to travel 130 km, okay, that means to say from town Y to 11 a.m., which is also 2 hours, so he will travel 130 km. Alright, what is the average speed? Average speed is 260 km. Okay, take any sector and divide, okay, continually. 260 km divided by 4 hours. Because this is 2 hours, this is 4 hours. So 260 divided by 4 will give us 65 km per hour. And that was the average speed of Peter. Alright, that's how we find it. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.